Google's Notebook ML, this tool alone is single handedly a lot more powerful when it comes to learning and research based things. This video is going to be a complete beginner friendly guide on how to get started with Notebook ML. I'm getting started with myself. This is me first time using it, so I can walk you through step by step on how you can use it, and this is the video you should be watching. So without any further ado, let's jump straight onto the screen and get into action. So as you can see here, this is notebookml.google, their official website. I'll attach it in the description, you can check it out. Enough talk, let's see this. And for that, I'm going to click on this button, try Notebook ML, and this is the first page that loads up here. This is welcome page of Notebook ML. As we can see, there is this create option and there are some of this featured notebooks. Let's see this feature notebook here, which is from the Economist, and this is what it is, the world ahead 2025. As we can see, a lot of sources attached here on the left side, and chat environment here where I can interact with all the sources using chat. And this is where we have studio option. Someone has created this already, so we can just simply click on it. And the world ahead 2025, geopolitics and global order, Donald Trump's second term, impact on global economy. So when I click on this, it creates this query here, and now the answer will be generated here. So this is interesting and interactive, I would say. Look at that. The answer is created and it has proper citation as well, like proper citation of the source. That's really helpful when it comes to interacting with AI. Let's see what else it got. So on the studio, it has this how to use this notebook. This is basically a guide on how to use this notebook, a note here, and then we have a video as well. So this is a video. Let's
Welcome
play.
to the Explainer. As we make our way through 2025, it's turning out to be a year just full of contradictions. So today we're going to right into it.
No way.
Electricity is
This entire video is created using AI. I won't believe this. Like, look at that. Proper
here is
presentations and
to
infographics
keep
and
the
everything.
rollout of renewable
Is it actually AI? Because
energy. Yeah,
I'm video editor myself, and to create videos like this, it could take a lot of time, basically. And this is what it is doing in this notebook ML. Can't believe this. This is wild, man. This is wild. Then there is this audio version of
what if you
this.
could, like, fast forward a year?
This is audio summary of it. So we explored this existing notebook. Now it's time to create one. Simply click on this button here, and this is where it loads up this page. Basically, this is where we can upload the files that we have, your PDF, Drive, or any other file that you have just uploaded here, or we can attach any videos or links in here. And Google Drive also works, by the way. So I'm just going to add this video here. This is a popular podcast between Joe Rogan and Naval Ravikant. Let me just insert it here, and as I insert it, this is what happens. It scans the source, it just fetch the details, it summarizes it here. Let me just give it a name here, that Naval Manak, and a summary is generated, so I can interact with it here. Give me three best things from this. Can simply press enter, and this is what we get as a result. On the side, this is like studio version where we can see like all the options available here. We can create audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, slide deck, and data table. Let's try them one by one. But see this one. This is like three best things from this. First is the power of authenticity and specific knowledge, building wealth through equity and leverage. Yep. Happiness as a learned skill. I can simply save this as a note here. This is where I have my summary whenever I need it. By the way, that's summarization here, but now we want to create an infographic out of it. So what we'll be doing is simply click on this infographic option. So while this infographic is in progress, we can also create this mind maps. Let's see what it does. So we can see like the mind map is already generated. If I open it here, this is what we have: wealth and career, specific knowledge, leverage, If I open here, it has three main leverages and this specific term, which is like permissionless scaling. Really interesting. Future of technology, automation, AI, energy, and environment. So let's click on this AI version. And if I see here AI, narrow versus general AI. So I'm just gonna see like what this holds in here, like what Naval mean by AI. Basically, we all know what AI is, but this is going to bring me the perspective of Naval. See, it's very specific, and this can be best when you want to interact with any specific documents that you have or any specific knowledge base that you have. Basically, your notebook comes alive and you can have chat with your notebook. That's what this notebook ML brings as a power here. While we were talking and discussing this infographic got created here. So let's open this and see what it created for us. So this is what we have. Naval Ravikant Playbook, A Guide to Wealth and Happiness, A Path to Wealth. This is all created just like a simple click. That's what we needed to do, right? And if any designer gets to create this, it could take a lot of time to them, but now this is created. Now remember the time when we used to have boring textbooks, right? So this could be the game changer of it, because now we don't have to deal with the boring textbook. We can simply put that textbook in here, and this notebook ML can create an interactive visual learning concept for us that could make a lot difference when it comes to learning. Now I want to try this important thing, which is video overview. So simply click on this video overview, and this is where the video gets generated. This may take some while. While this video is in progress, let's explore a few more things in here. We can add multiple sources here, and there is this option of analytics. Let's see what it got. I think it does not have any analytics set because I just created my account right now. Might be better luck next time when we come over. This is what we had, and we can customize the prompts. The usual way is to click on in here and create it, but you can click here on the edit button, you can customize it, and you can create it to your liking. That's actually useful. Still, the video generation is going on, and I think it's gonna take some time. So these are Notebook ML's core features and a basic introduction of what Notebook ML is. There are endless possibilities and endless opportunities using Notebook ML and the use cases of it. If you need a detailed video on all the use cases, just make sure to subscribe to this channel. And this video is taking longer, so I'll be showing you this video in the next upcoming videos, or if it gets rendered early, I'll put it on the screen here while editing. That's it for this one. Hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe and like for more videos like this. See ya in the next one.